Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive using Microsoft's official method. It's quick, reliable, and works every time. Whether you're planning a clean installation or just need to repair your system, this guide will take you through each step. Before we begin, I have a small request. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to help me grow the channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser. And just search Windows 10 ISO. Now open Microsoft's official website. When you open the page, you might not see the download option right away, so here's a simple trick. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Now click on this small icon, it will convert it into mobile view. Now refresh the page. After refreshing, you can close this section. Now scroll down and you'll see the download links. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition, then click Confirm. Now choose the 64-bit option. Your ISO file will start downloading. Now we will need another tool called Rufus. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Go to this website and download its latest version. Once both files are ready, run Rufus. First, select your USB drive. Then click Select and choose the ISO file you downloaded. Once all done, click Start. It will give you some warnings. Click OK for all. After that, Rufus will format your USB drive and make it bootable. Once it says ready, then close it. Now eject USB from here. Then open this PC. You can see its logo has been changed. That means you have a fully working Windows 10 bootable USB. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides.